Welcome to the Business Essentials course. Thanks so much for taking a look and deciding whether this is the course for you. I'm Liz Armand, I'm the Mindset Shifter, and I've been running this workshop for some time but decided to take it online because of what's going on in the world, but also because I think it's important that knowledge is shared, and often you can't get to a venue at a particular time. So I thought this way, by having an interactive workshop, because I wanted to be networking as well as a workshop, so it's totally valuable to people who are on it. So I'm renowned for losing money, not making money in business, and I now show people how to make money in business. You may be hitting blocks, sabotage, challenges in your business you didn't think they were going to happen. You might not be making the money, or you might have been affected by what's going on in the world at the moment with COVID and needing a bit of inspiration, a bit of support, a bit of guidance to be able to move forward. And it is a challenging time, and we need to work together and thrive together. So what will you learn on the workshop? Well, we're going to be doing a SWOT analysis, because your business comes from your mind, your ideas, your creativity. And often what happens is people haven't put the ground roots in place, and they're doing things, they're going after the next shiny object, they're deciding, I'll go this route or this route or this route. And actually you need a plan going forward. So what we'll look at is actually, your business, what's going on at the moment, what difficulties maybe you're having. We'll look at how to together to support one another. That's where the networking will come into it. Look also at money mindset, how you might be blocking yourself financially. We'll look at how you're managing your finances. Are you charging enough for your services? Often with businesses, people don't charge enough when they go in because they don't realise what the costs are in business. I mean, we're very realistic about that, because also with what's going on in the world at the moment, costs are going up. And as businesses, you need to actually be equating to that, and that may well mean that your price needs to go up. You may be far too cheap already, of course, because often our self-worth can play a part as well, and they're expert at that. So the workshop is very practical. You've got a workbook that goes alongside. If you can only make one segment, you do get the workbook that goes with it. It will actually take you through those elements if for some reason you can't come to the second version. I just felt it was too long to do the workshop on Zoom all day, so I made a decision to look after your health to actually do 2 segments as part of it. Really excited about running it. I know it's going to help lots of people, and I'm really looking forward to it and supporting everybody and seeing you all shine through it, and giving a wise owl's guidance to those people who are on it. So thank you for looking at the workshop. I hope you can make it.